Checking your account balance on the Citibank mobile app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Download the Citibank app. If you haven't already, download the Citibank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab or section on the home screen. This is usually prominently displayed for easy access. Step 4. Select your account. Tap on the account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a checking account, savings account, or credit card. Step 5. View your balance. After selecting your account, your current balance will be displayed on the screen. You can also view recent transactions if needed. Now you can easily check your account balance anytime using the Citibank mobile app.